Good day, everyone. My name is Oyinwenebi Fiderikumo, and I'm presenting AfroTour Nexus, which is a platform designed to transform tourism in Africa as well as sustain infrastructural development. So, I'll just quickly walk you through system description, problems addressing, proposed solution, and working prototype. Okay, so the system is actually um, an integrated web platform that connects travelers with local African guides to best explore destinations, beautiful destinations in Africa. Meanwhile, also supporting key infrastructure projects, development projects. So the system has several key components such as booking and location discovery system, local guide matching service, an interactive map for easy exploration and knowledge of interesting places, hotspots, secure authentication and payment system, and I plan to make it have an infrastructure development tracking component that shows how tourism directly benefits the local communities. Okay, so our problem statement. Despite the fact that Africa has incredible potential biodiversity, continue to lose out on benefits from tourism to local communities because of a lack of infrastructure, limited access to necessary technology like internet, um, a lack of reliable local guides when trying to exploit foreigners. Um, so, and just generally weak infrastructure that tourism stands with. We need good infrastructure for tourism. So, okay, so the problems I just mentioned have many negative impacts. Obviously, local communities don't benefit from tourism. Um, Also, Africa is just not realizing its economic potential. Over 20% of the world's land mass and only accounts for 5% of tourism globally. That's a huge that's a huge opportunity missed out on. Also, travelers lack authentic experiences due to these factors. People are missing out. And yeah, so and then comes the cycle. You don't have stable infrastructure, so you can't bring in tourists and generate money, and then therefore we can't develop the infrastructure of the continent. So it's a cycle that needs to stop. The proposed solution consists of things like a unified platform. AfroTour Nexus has a single platform that handles destination discovery, guide matching, booking, and payment. Local guide integration, so training local guides, being up to speed with technology, um, interactive maps, community collaboration with the locals to make sure that the experience is better for both the locals and tourists, and sustainable practices in tourism like promoting eco-friendly accommodation and supporting conservation efforts. So now moving on to the demo. Okay, so this is the demo. So this is the navigation bar on the home page, very nicely designed. It has the sections how we work, destinations, tours, and the interactive map. Um, there's some popular destinations here, how we work, learning more about our approach. That have our interactive map, which is not fully done yet, but shows the locations of the destinations that are there right now. So you have zoom here and there. So destination pages shows the destination we have and also the number of local guides, which is not real yet, but UI and UX. So um yes, and then the booking system. But before I book, I'm going to log in. So, and I will quickly fill out the information. Okay. So I fill out the information. So we logged in, as you can see. Um, so now I'm going to destinations, and you can book it on a lot of flavors naturally. So I'm going to go for the Lagos Nigeria, and then choose the direct package, and choose date today. And travel, yes. Proceed to payment, and so I don't have to do anything for now. And this is just how it would work. And the booking firm gives you a guide, their contacts, um, package. So also have a dashboard of my bookings. So, so the last important section is how we work section. So it just gives a bit of information background on the key principles I plan to incorporate into AfroTour Nexus and some of the objectives that AfroTour Nexus will have. Okay, so for the requirements, SRS requirements, um, I believe that prototype satisfies a lot of the requirements in this SRS document, SRS document specification. So its core functionalities like user authentication, booking management, and processing of payment. As for the non-functional requirements, performance is good. Platform is usable. The data is secure because the model can efficiently handle user profiles, destination information, and booking details. Okay, so I'm going to explain the actors and processes using a use case diagram. First of all, the tourist is the one that the primary user of the system that browses destination is book stores and makes payments. The local guide is a professional who leads stores and provides local expertise. The admin is are the people who manage the system, the platform, um, and then there's a payment system that processes payments. So, okay, so the users for tourists and travelers, they can browse destinations, search tours, view the interactive map, create an account, log in, book a tour, make payments, receive confirmation, manage bookings, and view their profile. See by the lines. For local guys, they can log in or authenticate and also manage tours. For admins and myself, can log into the system, oversee all tours on the platform, and can add, remove, or update information based off of a request. Um, so there's a payment system that handles payments and transactions securely as well. So the booking process follows a sequential flow from browsing to booking the tour to making payment and receiving confirmation. Of course, authentication is required for personalized features like booking management. Both guests and registered users can browse destinations and view the interactive map. Payment processing connects to external payment system, and tour management is handled by both guides and admin. So this has really helped us visualize the main functionality of AfroTour Nexus, and it serves as a blueprint to understand the system's code. So in conclusion, AfroTour Nexus, I believe, is a comprehensive solution to the challenges that Africa faces in the sector of tourism. And by creating a unified and integrated platform that connects travelers with authentic guides and helps communities, I feel like AfroTour Nexus is building a sustainable ecosystem which benefits all stakeholders. I feel this prototype demonstrates the viability of this approach with most key features being implemented. Um, Thank you so much for listening. This is my name is Oyinwenebi Fiderikumo. I'm presenting AfroTour.